Hello everyone et bienvenue dans un nouvel épisode de French avec Touhim. J'espère que vous allez bien et j'espère que vous êtes très excités pour apprendre le français. So today we are going to talk about the indefinite articles. So guys, in our previous session we have already done the definite articles in French. To get the definite articles in French, you get the video in the description box below. So to start with, in indefinite articles in French, you have to know it's all about a or an in French. So we know a or an in English. So similarly, we have indefinite articles in French as well. And it also works just like definite articles. Like in definite articles, you had masculine and feminine. Here also, you are going to use masculine and feminine. So let's start with. So the masculine indefinite article is Just repeat after me, guys, and it's a nasal sound, so you have to sound it as For indefinite article feminine, it's un. So this is about the singular and un. Similarly, we also have indefinite plural article. It's they. So guys, it is written as des, but you have to pronounce it as they. They. Okay. So guys, let's take some examples of masculine and feminine and also plural indefinite articles. So let's say for masculine one, it's un chien, a dog. Un chat, a cat. Un ordinateur, un ordinateur. And some more example for masculine indefinite article is like un garçon, a boy, un garçon. A man is, and un homme, a man, un homme. Un parapluie, une maison, a house, une maison, une voiture, a car, une pomme, an apple, une pomme. Une fille, a girl. Une fille. Une orange, an orange. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you liked this video as well. So don't forget to repeat the pronunciation. Don't forget to revise. And guys, please subscribe to my channel, and you're going to get a lot more videos on this. So guys, till the next video, take care, please revise French, and till then, au revoir.